Good morning friends, today it's 23rd of Jan 2025 and the technical outlook for the market for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures and other sectors are as follows. So if we see last few sessions of especially from 13th of Jan, in last 7-8 trading sessions we have seen that especially US market has witnessed a high volatility. US market Dow Jones has bounced back from the lows of 41,840 to 44,208. It was almost 5.5% up. Nasdaq has bounced back sharply from 18,800 to 20,668, almost close to its all-time high. It bounced back 6.5% in last 7 sessions. While dollar index has slipped down from 110 to 108, that is down 2%. US bond yields have slipped down from 4.8 to 4.53, almost 4%, 10 years bond yields. While gold MCX has bounced back almost 7% from $25.85 to $27.70. On the other hand, if we see our global market, our market Nifty 50 is almost flat within this period. It was trading at around 21,300 on 13th of Jan. Today also it is trading at around close to 21,300. While Bank Nifty also was trading at around 48,200. Currently it's around 48,800, almost flat within this period. So we are underperforming compared to the global market in spite of positive cues from dollar index, US bond yields and other relative asset segments. That underperformance can be because of our weak currency which is falling, continuous FI sellings, possible impact of Trump tariff policy over our economy, and it might be possible because of the ongoing corporate results. That is the impact which is putting impact on the valuations. So these are the 4 factors because of which our market is underperforming compared to the other global market in last almost 2 weeks. Now our market remains volatile and we have been mentioning that 23,200 remains important for Nifty 50 for next few sessions, and we still continue to hold the same outlook that holding over and above 23,200 the bias will be range to pull back and vice versa. Even if we see Nifty mid-cap index, it has formed a kind of double bottom yesterday close to around 52,300 mark. So basically our market is at a make or break point. 52,000 is important for Nifty mid-cap index, 23,000, 23,200 is important for Nifty 50, and broadly we have been witnessing a consolidation phase of last 2 weeks when the broader market, global markets are outperforming. There can be a chance that we can attempt to bridge the gap of this underperformance in few sessions. For that 23,200 Nifty 50 is important. If it is holding up, we can witness a pullback, and the pullback initially will find a strong resistance at around 23,600 and the major at around 23,850, 24,000 zone. So even 700-800 points upside cannot be ruled out. Looking the broader market asset segments, the condition is 23,200 should be held, and there in mid cap which has formed a kind of double bottom should be hold above 52,000 mark. Yesterday we have seen a buying interest in IT pack selectively. In banking we have seen after result SDFC Bank has ended almost at its highs. So we believe that SDFC Bank remains the top bet in the private segment space, which should be looked for delivery buying. Even Axis Bank, which has witnessed decent correction, is approaching towards the support zone of 920-900 mark. SBI holds range to positive over and above 720, or you can say downside cap, while ICICI Bank is on a weak note, but the support is close to around 1140-1100 zone. So going forward, we believe that banking space will remain on a radar on the positive side, so selective buying should be looked there, a hedged long. Metal space is also a buying, and selective IT space where pullbacks will be expected because things are slightly oversold. But broadly all these moves on the higher note should be looked as a pullback rather than a trend reversal. Even if Nifty manages to sustain over and above 23,200 and it can move towards 23,850, 24,000 mark, that will not be looked as a trend reversal. It will be a kind of pullback only. So for these pullback, we can look for hedged long strategies selectively. For the day today, Nifty futures buy on dip can be looked towards support zone of 23,070 and 2290. These are the important support levels, while a pullback can find resistance at around 23,300 and 23,420 levels. In respect with Bank Nifty, it has also formed a kind of bullish candlestick on the daily charts. Bank Nifty traded at 48,888 levels for the day today. Dips towards 48,650 and lower levels can be looked for contra trading long bets. For this week as a whole, it need to sustain above 49,550,000 mark for any kind of possible first reversal signal or pullback attempts towards higher 51,000 and high levels. So net both Nifty and Bank Nifty as per the price study still remains range to down because they are trading below their crucial silver line, and as per the intraday charts they are at a very crucial make or break point. So 23,200 for Nifty 50 and 52,000 mark for Nifty mid cap remains very vital, and for Bank Nifty it's 48,000. So till these levels are on hold, sustained pullback can be expected, but those pullbacks should be looked to reduce leverage positions rather than adding fresh, because time consolidation can continue further. But the signals which we are getting from the global market is not that bad, and ideally we are underperforming, so that underperformance can be attempted to be bridged in days to come. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.